If Google Maps on your web browser starts loading slowly, showing outdated map data, or behaving strangely, clearing your browser cache can help fix it. Unlike mobile apps, the web version of Google Maps does not have its own cache setting, so everything is managed through your browser. To begin, open your browser settings. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or a similar browser, click the menu button in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, look for the option Clear Browsing Data. This is where your browser stores and manages temporary files from websites, including Google Maps. Click Clear Browsing Data, then make sure to select Cached Images and Files. These are stored map images and data that help websites load faster, but they can sometimes become outdated and cause display issues. You can choose how much data to remove by selecting a time range. If you're troubleshooting a problem, selecting all time is usually the most effective option because it clears everything stored. Once ready, click Clear Data. The browser will remove the cached files, which may take a few seconds depending on how much data is stored. After that, close and reopen your browser or simply refresh Google Maps. The site will reload fresh map information directly from Google servers instead of using old stored files. This process does not delete your saved places, searches, or Google account data. It only removes temporary files stored locally in your browser. Once completed, Google Maps should load more smoothly and display the most updated version of the map. And that's how you clear cache files for Google Maps on the web using your browser settings.